In this video, we're going to walk through how to export client data from Top Echelon, one of the top CRM and recruiting software tools. Whether you're new to Top Echelon or just need a refresher, by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to export your client data quickly and efficiently. Stick around because there's also an exclusive extended free trial available, which I'll share with you at the end, so make sure you watch through to get that bonus. To start, logging into your Top Echelon account is the first step. Once you're in, go to the Reports section. This is where you'll find the options for managing and exporting your data. It's also where you can configure what specific data you'd like to include in your export, such as client information, contacts, or job orders. Now, on the left-hand panel, select Export Data under the Reports tab. From here, you'll have several options. The key thing to focus on is choosing the correct format for your export. Top Echelon allows you to export in formats like CSV or Excel, depending on your needs. CSV is often the most commonly used format since it works seamlessly with programs like Excel, Google Sheets, and even importing into other platforms if necessary. Next, you'll be prompted to filter the data. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what you're exporting. For instance, you may want to export all your clients from a specific date range, or perhaps you're only interested in certain fields like names, emails, and phone numbers. Top Echelon gives you the flexibility to specify these filters, ensuring that you're only exporting the most relevant information. Once you've selected your filters and file format, click Export to download the data. This may take a few moments depending on the amount of information you're working with. You'll typically see a confirmation message letting you know that the export is in progress. Afterward, you'll be able to open the file and view your client data in the chosen format. If you're looking to automate this process, Top Echelon also offers tools like their recruiting software, which integrates well with their data export function to help streamline your workflows. It's all about reducing the manual work and making sure that exporting client data is one less thing to worry about. Remember, once you've exported your data, it's crucial to handle it properly. Make sure that any sensitive client information is stored securely and follows relevant data protection laws. Now, before I wrap up, remember that if you're looking to get started with Top Echelon, there's a special extended free trial just for you. Click the first link below to access it. You'll get to explore all the features, including exporting your client data, without any upfront costs. It's a perfect opportunity to see if this software is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link below for that exclusive free trial.